السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أعزائي الطلبة والطالبات. إن شاء الله هحل امتحان موديول بتاع امتحان سات ديجيتال سات ماث. مراجعة على قبل الامتحان إن شاء الله بعد بكرة بالتوفيق لكم جميعا إن شاء الله. أنا أستاذ سعيد المهدي. لو حد عايز ياخد دروس أو كورسات سات ماث ممكن يتواصل معايا في واحدة. Which expression is equivalent to this? So we FOIL, do FOIL. Multiply first times first, outer times outer, inner times inner, plus times last. X times x is x squared. X times 5 is 5x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 multiplied by 5 is negative 15. So positive 15 is not correct. This is not correct. And this is 5x minus 3x is 2x. So 2x, negative 2x is not correct. The solution is C. In triangle RST, angle S is right angle, and T measures 24 or 34. What's the measure of angle R? So angle R is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 34. 180 minus 90 is 90. 90 minus 34 is 56. So the answer is 56. Question number 3. The volume of an ideal gas can be modeled by the equation V equals 50N, where V is the volume in liters and N is the amount of the substance measured in moles. Based on this equation, what is the volume in liters of a sample that contains 1,200 moles? So this is N. So 50 times N, 50 times 1,200, this is 6,000. The owner of if a tech firm wanted to determine the number of charging stations for electric vehicles to install in its parking lot. The owner looked at a random sample of 800 vehicles in the lot one work day and determined that 14% of the vehicles, so 14% of means multiply by 800 vehicles were electric. Based on the sample, how many vehicles in the lot could the firm reasonably conclude were electric? So we multiply 14% times 800. This is 112. Multiplication. This is multiply. We multiply 14 times 800 divided by 100. So we can cancel two zeros with two zeros. 14 times 8 is this number. A weight lifter is training for a competition and wants to increase the heaviest lift of each day by a constant amount. If the heaviest lift on day 6, so X is 6, 180 pounds, Y, and the heaviest lift on day 24 is 225. So this is X and Y. By how many pounds did the weightlifter's heaviest daily lift increase each day on average? So this is rate. So the rate is Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1, which is, this is 45 divided by 18. So divided 9, this is 5 over 2. It's 2.5. The answer is 2.5. This one, which expression is equivalent to the given expression? So we have k power negative 2 multiply k power 3 is just, we add powers, so it is k power 1. This is incorrect, and this is incorrect, so the solution is C. N multiply n power 6, this is n power 7, which is correct. And r power 5 multiply r power 2, we add powers. 5 plus 2 is 7, so this is correct. So C is correct. Which of the following statements is true regarding to the standard deviation? So standard deviation data, this data is more distributed, and this data is more concentrated. So more concentrated data has less standard deviation, and more distributed data has more or larger standard deviation. So the standard deviation A is less than, yes, that's correct. A is greater than, A is equal to, so yes, A is set, data set 1 is less than standard deviation less than data set 2 because data set 2 is more distributed. A record collector is looking to buy C classic albums and M modern albums. The equation 35C plus 20M equals 750 represents this situation in the record. Collector spends a total of 750 on dollars on albums. How much more in dollars does one classic? So one classic is 35 more than the modern, which is 20. This is by 15. 35 minus 20 is 50. The answer is 50. The given system of equations has no real solution. So discriminant will be less than 0. If C is a constant, which of the following is a possible value of C? So now y is equal to y, 4x squared minus 12x plus c equals negative 4. Move negative 4 to the other side. 4x squared minus 12x plus c minus plus c plus 4 is equal to c. So this is a equals 4, b equals negative 12, and c equals c plus 4. Discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. B squared is 12 squared. Negative will cancel out. Minus 4 times A is 4 and C is C plus 4. This should equal to less than 0. So we can move this to the other side. 4 times 4 is 16 times C plus 4 greater than 144 divided by 16 divided by 16. So this is 9 less than C plus 4. We subtract 4, subtract 4. So C is greater than 5. Greater than 5, this is not correct, not correct, not correct. So this is. In the figure shown, O is the center of the circle and A 120. So this is 120 degree. So this will be 120 degree. If the area of the circle is 72, what's the area of the shaded region? Area of shaded region is equal to area of circle multiplied by 120, the angle divided by 306. So area of circle is 72, multiply 120 divided by 360. Cancel 0, 12 divided 36, divide 12 equals 1, divide 12 equals 3, which is 72 multiply 1 divided by 3. This is 24. So the answer is 20. How many distinct real solutions does the equation have? So we do mod 5-3 or discriminant b squared minus 4ac. Discriminant is 12 squared minus 4 times 2 times 6. Is this positive or negative or 144 minus 8 multiplied by 6, 48, so it is positive number. So it has two solutions. In the xy plane, line L passes through the points this and this. What is the slope? Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is y2 8 over 3 minus y1 minus minus 1 over 3 divided by x2 minus x1. So it is 8 over 3 plus 1 over 3, which is 9 over 3. And 9 over 3 is just 3 divided by 4. So the slope is 3 over. Lines K and L are parallel in the xy plane, and line K is defined by this equation of the slope of line L. So slope is same slope, the same slope because they are parallel. So slope here is just minus a over b, coefficient of minus coefficient of x, which is minus 15 divided by coefficient of y. So it is 15 divided by negative 5, which is negative. So negative 3. Or we can just isolate y, move this x to the other side. So minus 5y equals 15x plus 3 divided negative 5, divided negative 5, divided negative 5. Y is equal to negative 3x plus or minus 2. So minus 3. This is the table shows the estimated number of bacteria in a laboratory culture over span of 10 hours. What type of function best models? So it is each 2, it decreases, but decreases not in constant rate. So it is decreasing exponentially, correct? Decreasing, but not linear, not increasing, of course. Function f is defined by this equation. What value of x does if x reaches maximum? Maximum at x vertex, and the x vertex is asking about x vertex minus b over 2a. So minus 8 over 2 times negative 2. So it is negative 8 divided by negative 4. This is positive 2. So the solution is 2. إن شاء الله ننطلق في فيديوهات. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.